the first look, from the first touch, I knew. From the first time I saw your face, my heart found a resting place. Every smile, every sigh felt like heaven in my eyes. Through the storms and through the rain, through the joy and through the pain, still my heart chooses you in everything I do. No matter where life goes, my love for you still grows. No matter what we face, your love is my safe place. Forever yours, heart and soul. You're the one that makes me whole. Forever yours, hand in hand. Together we will stand. Forever yours, night and day. Love won't fade away. Forever yours, I stay true. My whole life belongs to you. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. When the world feels cold outside, your love keeps me warm inside. When my strength begins to fall, your voice still lifts me tall. Every dream I ever had, every prayer I ever prayed, feels closer when you're near. I don't live in fear. No lies in this love, pure blessings from above. No chains, no control, just two hearts, one soul. Forever yours, heart and soul. You're the one that makes me whole. Forever yours, hand in hand. Together we will stand. Forever yours, ride or die. You and me till the sky. Forever yours, I stay true. My whole life belongs to you. Ooh, yeah. If tomorrow fades away, still I choose you anyway. No riches, no fame, just love remain the same.